All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Taurus 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive, original Arizona Beige from factory. Former Probation Department vehicle, folks. This was not a patrol. Former Probation Department vehicle, all original. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny. It does have very tiny little scratches that are hardly noticeable. Folks, I do have an LAPD helicopter above me, so it might get a little bit loud here and there. Vehicle does have some door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. Vehicle has also been serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. And she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. Very nice, very sharp looking vehicle. The windows have been tinted. That is going to be I believe 20% on the rear, 15% in the front. Perfect color combination. Once again, fresh new window tint. I do have one hole on the body of the vehicle where that actual antenna is. It is an actual antenna, folks, so if you need to drive your car through an express car wash, the antenna is gonna stay put. It's not gonna go anywhere. This is the real deal. It's not up, it's just here for looks. Vehicle does have backup rear sensors and working rear camera. So yes, factory backup sensors and rear camera are working. Folks, this is gonna be an E85 unit, flex fuel, okay, so it's gonna save you money at the pump, especially if you're here in California. Paint looks great, folks. Arizona Beige from factory. This is something that you hardly ever see. This is a very rare color. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you that all four steel wheels have been reconditioned and they do look nice and black all over again. When the vehicle first came in, it did have the full wheel covers. However, the rims, the steel wheels were kind of peeled, so I had those reconditioned, repainted, and they look new all over again. The vehicle does also have a new set of takeoffs, 245s, 5518s. The tires that came with the vehicle, folks, they were not acceptable. They were worn down and dry rotted. So for those of you guys that follow me, you guys already know that I do have what I need here available, and I give it to all my cars. It doesn't matter what these vehicles need. If some vehicles need more than others, that's fine. We'll go ahead and get that taken care of here for us. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lenses in the front. Nice set of clear lights and lenses in the front, folks. Before I forget, I also got to tell you that the vehicle does have brand new front and rear brakes and rotors. Top cop performance rear brakes and rotors were installed on this vehicle, folks. No joke. Here you go. Sorry, I got distracted there for a minute. Nice looking car. Before I forget, folks, let me come to the front of the vehicle. On the driver's side pillar, I see some discolorization here. Maybe the clear coat is starting to go out just in this area from here to here, folks. All right, it kind of blends in with the vehicle. It's hardly ever noticeable, but it is my job to let you know what's here. It's not noticeable at all. What's a little bit noticeable if you do get up close and personal, but once again, the clear coat is kind of giving away in this area right here. Okay, let's go inside. Let me show you what we're working with here. I do have a nice full interior. I do have a nice rear leather seat with all seatbelts and buckles in place. The vehicle does have a perfect vinyl floor, no tears, no holes. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. So if you do have passengers, they'll be able to exit out on their own. The links are there and they do work. All 4 door panels on this vehicle are in nice condition. Once again, this was not a patrol unit, so it was a probation department unit. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Passenger side seat is also in nice shape. The steering wheel, the honk does work. Steering wheel looks to be in perfect condition. Nice leather texture on it. This is something I'm not used to seeing. Whatever officer was assigned to this vehicle, they for sure stayed on top of it, folks. Let me tell you, I live and breathe police vehicles. I see some stuff that shouldn't be out there driving, for reals. Let's fire her up. When I do get something nice, I'm actually surprised to see it. Pressure lights are up. Let's cycle through this right here. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention to the camera screen here. Come on, bear with me. Sorry guys, sometimes I lose focus here. Okay, so the vehicle does have 123,000 miles with only 687 idle hours. Once again, this was not a patrol unit, folks, and what you see is what you're gonna get.
The news moves on. Update on the park fire that's burning up in Butte County and Tehama and others.
Stereo does work. All speakers inside the vehicle does work. The vehicle also is equipped with a factory Bluetooth, so you can go ahead and connect your car right through the phone, and you'll be able to take calls and listen to your music. USB connector, auxiliary connector, and cigarette lighters, folks, are here. Everything is complete.
Right here, we'll also talk about
Manual inside, as they should.
screen adaptation of the works of Baldwin and
Sorry. Red LED, white LED, folks. Everything does work. Map lights do work right there. Little box for your glasses right there in place. Let's go to the trunk. Let me open the hood. What else am I forgetting here? Honk does work. I already said that, folks. All right, here, let's go to the trunk. The clock is ticking, so I need to hurry up. Folks, this vehicle does have a clean and clear title. Clean and clear title on this vehicle. This is the trunk. I do have a vault right here. You can put whatever you want in here. It does open up. There you go. It's a metal vault. Spare tire in place. Full spare tire in place. Floor jack and hold down pen inside. In the bottom. Let's continue because the clock is ticking here. Let's go ahead and shut off the air conditioner so that the fan doesn't take away from my voice here and whatever I'm gonna try to tell you. All right, let's clean that. That's clean. All right, one hand, please hold. Alright folks, here we go. This is the engine bay of the vehicle. The fans are blowing, the engine, the air conditioner was going on, so I turned that off. The engine's still running. Don't worry, I have been driving the vehicle, so she's just blowing whatever hot air she can out of here. Okay, let's get started right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body will service and clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Drive belt and tensioner are in good condition, so I went ahead and left those alone. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Transmission was also serviced, and we did use Motorcraft Mercon LB for this one. The vehicle also does have a new Motorcraft cabin filter, folks. Also, I already mentioned it, but before I forget again, the vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around by Performance Top Cop brakes. So that's what I put in this one. The battery appeared to be in good condition. It is healthy. I put my tester on there. It's healthy. That came from the department, so we did not have to replace a battery on this one. All right, folks, if I do forget something here in the video, I'm always good at coming back and putting everything on my eBay ad that I have, that I create for each and every vehicle. So it's going to be noted there. Suspension is nice and tight. The vehicle is not overheating, folks. Everything is working how it should. Folks, once again, I set you up for success on another great looking vehicle here. This is going to be a 2017 Ford Taurus 3.7 all-wheel drive probation department unit, folks. Arizona Beige from factory, all done up and ready to go, folks. If you are interested in this vehicle or you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give me a call, and let's see if we can come to an agreement. Once again, folks, the vehicle is original paint. It does have some very tiny little scratches that are hardly noticeable, and it does have some door dings. Okay, but nothing big or major to worry about. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing out, also known as Soulka Police Cruisers. Here we go. Thanks for watching. God bless and take care.